today we're going out to test the drone basically. We bought a new DJI Mini 5 Pro, that's a mouthful, and it took 2 weeks to get all the licenses and etc. But now we're going to take it out and give it a go before we take it out on our longer trips. So this is really a practice session. Yes, I know, it seems like I'm going a bit slow, but I am in sandals and I didn't come prepared because I'm only flying the drone today. Can't believe that he just waited for me here. He was about a kilometre away, and he tried a couple of times, he says. It don't look like he's really trying that hard. In the end he rang me and I had to come walking along and pick it up for him. Lazy sod. Well, considering we spent half an hour flying and I forgot to press the record button, it all went quite well, I think. And yeah, I'm quite happy with the footage, but hopefully we're going to get better.